Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
You can order at the counter.
Okay.
What would you like today?
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
Take your time.
There are many options. Yes, we have coffee, tea, and snacks. What do you recommend? Our cappuccino is very popular. Okay. What sizes do you have? Small, medium, and large. I'll take a medium cappuccino. Sure. Would you like sugar? No sugar, please.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes. What food do you have?
We have sandwiches, muffins, and cookies.
What kind of sandwiches?
Chicken, vegetable, and cheese.
I'll take a chicken sandwich.
Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
That will be $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Please tap your card.
Done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your order will be ready soon. Order number 12.
That's me.
Here's your cappuccino and sandwich.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
How's the coffee? It's good. Not too strong. Is the sandwich tasty? Yes, it's fresh and warm. Do you come here often? Sometimes. I like this place. The staff are friendly? Yes, they are.
Hello. How many people?
One person.
Please sit here.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the vegetable pasta.
Would you like anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Sure.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I get the bill, please?
Sure. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'll take a coffee. I'll take a sandwich. Can I pay by card? Thank you very much. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a medium coffee. No sugar, please. That's all. Can I pay by card? Hi, can I see the menu, please? I'll take a medium coffee and a sandwich. That's all. Can I pay by card? Thank you. Hi, can I see the menu? I'll take a medium coffee and a sandwich. No sugar, please. That's all. Can I pay by card? Thank you. Now it's your turn. Pause this video. Practice ordering food for 1 minute. Speak aloud. Use your own words. Write in the comments, Day 3 completed. Before we finish, let's learn some easy and useful keywords from today's video. First word, menu. meaning a list of food and drinks. Example, can I see the menu? Second word, recommend, meaning to suggest something. Example, what do you recommend? Third word, size, meaning small, medium, or large. Example, what size do you want? Fourth word, toasted, meaning heated bread. Example, would you like it toasted? Fifth word, bill, meaning the paper showing the price. Example, can I get the bill, please? Sixth word, pay by card. Use a bank card to pay. Example, can I pay by card? Well done today. You practiced ordering food in English, just like in real life. This is very useful English. You can use it in cafes and restaurants. Remember, don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes are part of learning. Try these sentences again today, at home or when you go outside. If you want to speak English confidently in daily life, subscribe to English Speaking Zone and continue with Day 4. See you in the next lesson.